Bonjour, I'm Bonki Bilel, a French graphic designer and lettering artist. This video is a preview from the course I created to master Procreate called the Procreate Guide, and I will talk more about it at the end of this video. Adjustments are a collection of filters and effects that you'll be able to use directly on your current layer. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use adjustments. To open the Adjustments menu, tap on the magic wand icon. You can see all of the adjustments available in Procreate. Let's start with Bloom. Each effect can be used as a layer or pencil filter. Let's try first with Layer. Each adjustment has its own toolbar. For some adjustments, you can slide to adjust. In this case, it's the amount of bloom. Bloom is used to adding atmospheric glow to your layer. With transition at maximum, the effect applies only to light tones. If you lower the transition, the effect will also apply to darker tones. Size adapts the blur of the bloom edges. And Burn allows you to adjust the intensity of the bloom. Once finished, you can tap another tool to commit. Let's try the same adjustments as a pencil filter. You can see that the pencil icon has changed. You can choose the brush you want. And from now on, bloom effect will apply only thanks to your brush strokes. You can also use smudge or the eraser. And still be able to adjust the amount of bloom with your finger. Tap on your canvas to bring up the Adjustments Actions menu. With Preview, you can see what your layer looks like without the effect by holding your finger on it. You can undo, but it's faster to use 2 or 3 finger tap to undo or redo. And you can reset, cancel, or apply the adjustments you made. Let me show you 3 more adjustments to discover the variety of effects Procreate has to offer. Glitch allows you to create distortion effects on your layer. 4 effects are available: Artifact, Wave, Signal, and Diverge. Each effect has its own settings. Artifact adds a glitch effect comprising of scattered horizontal lines and offset blocks. Signal adds a glitch effect comprising of connected horizontal lines and scattered blocks combined with slight image offset. Diverge adds a glitch effect comprising of offset horizontal lines combined with chromatic aberration. And Wave adds a glitch effect comprising of distorted waves. Let's add Alpha Lock to try halftone. Halftone adds a printed effect to your layer. Full color, screen print, and newspaper work the same way. Slide to right to adjust the amount of dots. Full color creates a color halftone that keeps the original artwork's color in the background. This replicates a similar effect to magazine printing. Screen print creates a color halftone that shows white through the halftone's background. This replicates a similar effect to screen printing. A newspaper creates a grayscale halftone. This replicates a similar effect to newspaper printing. The third one is chromatic aberration. Chromatic aberration mimic a camera lens effect that looks like a slight blue or red halo. There are two modes, perspective and displace. Let's try first with perspective. Slide to right to see how it applies on your layer. This gray disk with a white dot is the focal point. The further away you are from the focal point, the stronger the effect. Fall off is the distance at which the effect will apply. At none, the effect is applied directly from the focal point. But if you increase it, it will apply further away from the focal point. Transition allows you to control the amount of blur applied. At max, you can clearly see where the effect begins. At 0, the effect is much more blurry. With displace mode, slide to set the distance and the direction of your chromatic aberrations red and blue planes. With blur, you adjust the softness of your effect. And with transparency, you adjust the opacity of the effect. As you can see, by playing and combining the effects, you can achieve very different results. To sum up, 1. Open the Adjustments menu. 2. Tap the effect you'd like to apply. 3. Choose between layer or pencil filter. 4. For some effects, slide your finger to the right to adjust the amount of the effect. 5. Play with sliders at the bottom to customize your effect. 6. If needed, tap on your canvas to open the Adjustments Actions menu. And 7. Tap any other tool to exit the adjustment. Voila! Now you know how to use the adjustments in Procreate. Voila! I hope you have found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Procreate, I have created a complete course called The Procreate Guide to Master this software with a private forum where I answer all your questions. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Otherwise, you can still look at selected beginner lessons from the Procreate Guide thanks to the playlist on the right. Until the next one, bonsoir!